If you want to mass activate free Steam games and DLC safely, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you the official SteamDB method that lets you add free licenses to your account automatically without having to claim everything one by one. This is especially useful if you want to build up your library, grab free DLC, or make sure you never miss a free package again. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The method we're using today is the SteamDB browser extension, and this is the recommended way because it works directly with the SteamDB free packages page. First, open your browser and install the SteamDB browser extension. It's available for popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, so choose the version that matches the browser you actually use for Steam. Once the extension is installed, make sure it is enabled and ready to go. Next, you need to sign into Steam in the same browser. This part matters because the extension works by using your active Steam session. Go to the official Steam store website and log in with the account where you want the free games and DLC added. Double check that you are signed into the correct account before moving on, especially if you use multiple Steam accounts. Now open a new tab and visit steamdb.info/freepackages/. This is the SteamD free packages page, and it's where the extension can detect all the available free licenses. Once the page loads, you'll see a large list of packages along with filtering options at the top. These filters help you clean up the list so you only see the items that matter. A good idea is to turn on hide demos and hide legacy media. That way, you avoid cluttering the page with items you probably don't want in your library. If you're only looking for actual playable games and useful DLC, these filters make the process much cleaner and easier to manage. Take a second to review the page and make sure the list looks right before you continue. When you're ready, look for the blue button that says Activate these packages now. This is the key step that starts the mass activation process. Click that button and the SteamDB extension will begin sending activation requests on your behalf. Depending on how many free packages are available, this can take a while, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. One very important thing to know is that Steam has an activation limit of 50 packages per hour. Because of that, you should keep the tab open and let the extension do its job. The tool is designed to pause when needed and continue automatically once Steam allows more activations again. So if you see it slow down, that's completely normal. Just leave the page open and let it resume on its own. While the process is running, avoid refreshing the page, closing the tab, or logging out of Steam. If you interrupt it, you may have to start over or miss some activations. The safest approach is to let the browser sit while SteamDB handles the work in the background. You can come back later and check your library to see the new free games and DLC attached to your account. Once everything is complete, you can open your Steam library and verify that the packages were added successfully. Some items may appear as games, others as DLC, and some may simply be licenses tied to your account. That's completely normal. The main goal is that the free packages have been claimed and saved to your Steam account for future use. And that's it. You've now learned how to mass activate free Steam games and DLCs with SteamDB using the safest recommended method. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.